Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Office ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills kala Pynlong da ka awareness program kam career counseling ban Pynsngewthuh Ïaki Khynnah School Halor ka National Education Policy 2000 apho bat ka Right to Education Act 2000 khandai kani ka awareness program ka sedang nadu ka pratarek hadu ka shipau tarik uyayong ha amlarem lasken bat that lasken block ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha ka yung wali halum perdi yong pia ka Dr. Waisa Sumer ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills kalakentu Ïaki Khynnah School banlong ki batre shitom bat pendep hok ya ka kamram khnang ba kinla ban job bat poi sha ka thong ha ka jingim ka jongki ka Dr. Sumer ka khmi lenti baling ba kini ki program kan yarap Ïaki Khynnah ba kin tip khambnya shapang ka NEP 2000 apho bad ka RTE Act 2000 khandai ki baralong ki artli ki matre kam joka sarkar India ha ka thong ban pin bha pin miat bat pin jana ya ka pule puthi nadu ka kardan pre primary hadu ka kardan higher secondary ki armut ki rio shampang ki bala wan ban ai ge jing batai Ïaki Khynnah ha man ki block jong ka district katkum ka thong ka jong ka ni ka program kilong u Dr. H Mortman but ULK Singh UIE Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills District
Be true to yourself. If I live there, thought one, got quality record. Study smart, not hard. Okay. If you could combine hard and smart simultaneously, then it will be good. Otherwise, you will only study hard without being smart, then there's no point. You don't understand certain aspects, certain lines, certain contexts. You keep continuing reading. The you encounter yourself who OP. Interaction in the classroom is very important. You are now students. Your duty is to learn. Speak. Be open. Right? Have interaction with your teachers. This is so important. Because of that, you are coming to school to learn. So pick the best. Teachers are there to teach you. Teachers will be very happy if you would always stand up, if you would always interact, if you ask questions. I believe, as teachers, they will be the happiest person if you interact. We will hardly get students who interact. Students from Pynlong, we're having students from Pynlong, we're having students from this Little Flower, Sendai, then Yongpia School. Remember, it's not the school, it's the fire within you that should burn. So therefore, I want that our students remember to be serious. Be good, be courageous, be brave to face the challenges. Challenges will always be there. There will be peer pressure. There will be, a lot of issues maybe you might be facing at home from the social perspective as well. However, learn to face them with courage. Be studious. Be true to yourself. That is very important, to be true to yourself. Each one of us will always have some problem or the other which we need to overcome. Remember, my dear students, we are living in an age where we say survival of the fittest. If you are fit, you'll be able to survive. If you are not fit, you will not survive. I know with technology today, distractions are many. Many students, they will spend most of their time scrolling their smartphones when you reach home. You will take your parents' phone and then you will be scrolling on all the unnecessary reels and all that. Please remember,